Hello everybody. Today at Bob's Watches, we're introducing a pre-owned Rolex Yacht-Master 69623. This watch has a U serial number indicating that it was produced by Rolex in the years 1997 to 1998. The characteristics include a stainless steel and 18 karat yellow gold Oyster bracelet with an Oysterlock clasp. The dial is slate with a superluminova display. The case is 29mm stainless steel with an 18 karat yellow gold rotatable bezel and has a scratch resistant sapphire crystal along with an automatic 2135 movement. This watch comes with the Bob's presentation box, and we offer a certificate of authenticity as well as a warranty card. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the link in the description below or by searching for Bob's Watches 69623 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.